Hi Aditya, wishing you a very happy 51st birthday. May all your dreams come true. Wishing you a lot of good health and happiness. May you be blessed with the best in life. Cheers!
Hi Ditya, wishing you happy birthday. I'm sure that you must have planned something special for tonight. So once again, we wish you all the best and stay blessed. So, anything?
Aditya, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you tons of happiness, good health, success, everything. It's been a tough year, I know. So wishing to you many more. Here's to you. Cheers.
Cheers.
And here's a little song for you. Maybe it cheers you up. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, तेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditya. Happy birthday to you. Cheers.
A very happy birthday, Aditya. It gives me great pleasure in wishing you on your birthday. But buddy, the party is still on. On a serious note, your clear-hearted personality, a very well-balanced and a well-meaning personality clearly reflects in your smile. So, partner, always keep that smile on. Wishing you lots of happiness and may God always bless you and your family.
Happy birthday to you. A very, very happy birthday, Aditya. And I was specially asked by Anushka to make this video for you, and I'm loving it. I want to wish you all the best in life, and we have been together for 32 years? Yeah. And it's been great. We've been great friends throughout school, and we are much closer than ever before. And I wish you all the best.
Tandon Saab, Janamdin बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. May God bless you with all the happiness, health, and no mask life for going forward times. And I really miss you guys. Like, remember the Bakshi Saab wala scene jahan pe chand pai si sanu sabnu te bach gaye si. Seriously, I think we need to catch up. God bless you, bro.
Hi Aditya, here's wishing a very happy 51st birthday. It's good to know that someone's slightly older than me from our batch. Well, I hope you have a fabulous year ahead, and it was very sweet of Anushka to call and ask for all the wishes and get them all together. Here's a toast to you and to happy days ahead. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Wishing you a happy birthday, wishing you all the happiness in the world and great health. It's so nice that we're in touch after so many years of school. You're a wonderful person. God bless you.
Hey Addy, happy birthday. Have a great day and enjoy yourself. यार ये कोरोना खत्म कर अब बस भाई पार्टी शार्टी करें कोई मिले शिले गप्पे शप्पे करें. I've had enough of it. Yeah, let's party soon. But you have a blast. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Here's wishing a very sweet and warm person a very, very happy birthday. Aditya, hope you have a very nice year ahead with family and friends, good times, good health, and everything you want for yourself and your family. Hope to catch up soon with you and celebrate all our good times together. And happy birthday once again, and God bless you. Bye then. Take care. See you.
Happy birthday! Hope to see you soon in India.
Can't wait to celebrate with you.
Have fun.
Have a really good day.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns on the day, Aditya. Have a great birthday, and next celebration is going to be in Canada. All the best.
Happy birthday, twin!
Happy birthday, Aditya. Wishing you all the best. Lots and lots of love. Cheers.
Hey Adi, happy 51st birthday, my dear friend.
and I think this number is quite big for us to repeat it again and again, because it's a respectable number and we don't deserve this respect. And it's difficult to digest also that we are more than 50 or we'll be 50, because I'll be joining the Brigade of 15 next 6 months. But my dear, wishing you a happy 18th birthday with beautiful 33 years of experience of love, laughter, care in your life. And this is all because of beautiful upbringing uncle auntie has bestowed, has given to you. Love which is there with Ritu, laughter which is there with your kiddos, beautiful kids Anushka and Raghuvar. My dear, amazing, beautiful, smiling friend, I wish you best of times in future also. Keep smiling, keep welcoming us to your beautiful house with a wonderful host Ritu. Don't forget, don't skip to give us a party in times to come, because we are always greedy to visit your house. Beautiful place, which is beautiful, I think, because two of you are wonderful hosts. So Adi, keep growing, keep scaling new heights, keep smiling, my dear friend. You are an amazing person, I repeat. God bless you.
Hi Aditya, happy birthday. Wishing you a great year, good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Addy. I remember we were at your place just a couple of days before the lockdown last year. Hopefully, we can be there back again very soon to enjoy all the yummy food of Platinum and be there in your beautiful garden. So, have an awesome day, stay safe, and be the mad, bindas self that you always are. Lots of love. Cheers.
Happy
birthday, Aditya.
Have a great one.
Wish you extra strong immunity. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Pinky. Many happy returns of the day. Wow, 50 पार कर 51 हो गया. Good. अब तो 101 नॉकआउट की तैयारी.
Happy birthday, Addy. Have lots of fun. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Aditya. Have a great day and a great year. Let's meet up more often this year.
Hi Aditya, a very happy birthday, buddy. God bless you. Enjoy your life. Hale and hearty, 50 and above. God bless. You should be thankful to God. Enjoy. I hope you have further years very healthy. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. And lots of love to your daughter who's taking this effort to collect all our videos and, make a memory for you. God bless you, buddy. A very happy birthday.
Hi Aditya, a very happy birthday to you. Blessed to have a friend like you, who's a wonderful human being. And I hope our friendship continues for many more years to come. I'm being polite because I know many people are watching this and your family will also be watching this. But jokes apart, you've been a great friend. And I hope the friendship continues. And I'm sure your cake looks like a airport runway now. So keep the fire extinguishers ready because there are lots of candles there. But I hope this is just the first half and the second half is just as good as the first. A very happy birthday, my friend.
Hello Aditya, my dear friend. Wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. May you have a very contented, happy and long life and may all your wishes come true. We have not met for quite some time and I wish to catch up with you and miss your lovely and lively company. See you very soon. Lots of love, Shailendra.
Hi Aditya, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi Aditya, happy birthday. Life has just begun. Have lots of fun this year.
And we hope to have lots of parties with you this year. Bye.
Happy birthday.
It's been long since we have met, so party is due. So let the COVID get over. I'm sure it's not going to get over very soon, but yeah, with all the precaution, I'm sure we are going to meet very soon and have a blast.
Happy birthday, sir. Have a great year ahead and hope to meet you all soon. Our dinner dates are due. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Aditya, wishing you many happy returns of the day. I remember fondly those days when we started together in Siemens and later on in Lucent. So what a wonderful time it was in your friendship. You have been a fantastic friend, very honest person, and great family man. I wish you all the very best for the years ahead, and I'm quite sure that you will chase your dreams and fulfill all your dreams in coming years. May God bless all of you, and have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye bye.
Hi Aditya, wish you a very happy birthday, and you have been a good friend, since our childhood days, from the 6th class when you joined, and we have freaked out all our school days, and you were the studious one, of course.
Okay.
But हमारे साथ भी तू रह के बिगड़ा नहीं, and you were good. And I still remember, you coming from your engineering, after doing your engineering, and me, Lala, and you having dinner at Daryaganj. Oh, we really enjoyed that evening. And you've got a wonderful family. Your kids are really lovely. Your wife is wonderful, Ritu.
थोड़ा सा गुस्सा है डराती है हमें
You are one of my best friends, and it has been great to be with you.
Happy birthday, Tandy. Wanted to wish you a very happy, healthy and fun-filled year ahead. Hope you are doing good. It's been a long time, so let's party just like old days. You, me and Shailendra, तीनों चलते हैं रामगिरी, एक तेरा, एक मेरा, एक शैलेंद्र का. Until we see you next time. Bye.
Hi Aditya, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Going back to our friendship, reminds me how old I'm getting. But what the hell, we all are sailing on the same boat. And I hope you have a great day today. I'm sure Anushka is going to be pampering you with that lovely cake she bakes. And Ritu, of course, is going to be feeding you like crazy. We can always tell through your size. And hope we get together very soon. And more of celebrations and meeting up without the masks. And, more of laughter and teasing you as well, with who we do so normally. And hope you have a great, great day. And a very, very happy birthday once again. And take care.
Happy birthday, Aditya. I don't know if it's your 49th or 50th or 51st. But whatever it is, remember you have to cut 1 year out of it. So, happy 49th or happy 50th birthday to you. May this year be good for you and everyone else. God bless you. Have a lovely birthday and all the best from us.
Happy birthday, Aditya. Hope you're having many parties this year, because 1 year was like all lockdown and everything. We're looking forward to some great celebrations.
Have a great, great year ahead, and let's have a party soon.
Hey Aditya, wishing you the very best on your birthday. I still recall some of the awesome moments you spent during the OSPS project, and especially the one with you wanting to try कि बॉस मैंने तो देसी मुर्गा खाना है और पूरा देखना है कि कैसे कटता है. और फिर तो देखने के बाद पता नहीं थोड़े दिन महाशय वेजिटेरियन हो गए थे. Anyways, I hope you enjoy and have lots of fun. Thank you.
I am grateful for your friendship. Hope your birthday is amazing, as you are my best friend.
Happy birthday. Best wishes on your special day. Have a great time. God bless you.
Hi Aditya, wish you a very happy birthday. Have lots and lots of fun and have a great day. Wish you good health and happiness always.
I must say that I'm very lucky to have you as a friend. और तेरी नॉलेज हमेशा बहुत अच्छी रही है. नेचुरली पढ़ाकुओं में था तू. हम तो कभी भी इतना पढ़े नहीं भाई. तो ठीक है, तू उस हिसाब से समझ ले हमारे काम आता था पेपर में. बट अब सिचुएशन ये है कि नाउ वी आर द बेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, my friend. Take care, stay safe, see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Eddie.
Love you, best wishes, lots of love, lots of friendship, lots of happiness, lots of wine, lots of sunshine. Keep shining, stay Modernite, forever a Modernite. Love you. Have a great one.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aditya.
Many, many happy returns of the day.
Have a great time. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
And stay blessed. Take care.
Hi Aditya, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, and God bless you to enjoy your happiness with your family, your wife, your children. And I remember our journey started from Gopaldas Bhavan since 1999 till 2006, when we were working, started our journey from Tata Lucent, and then we moved to DLF Corporate in Lucent time. And that's the same, will continue forever. All the best. Take care. Bye.
Hey Addy, wish you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you, buddy. With old friends, you got your whole life in common. You're a very honest, warm, courteous, and a person with few words. Wishing you the very best 50th birthday. Cheers, buddy. Bye.
Hey Aditya, how are you? Just want to make a quick video to wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Aditya, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and awesome year ahead.
Hi Aditya, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe and enjoy the day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday Aditya. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Many cheers to the man in our group without grey hair, and yes, don't trouble with you. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Addy. Love you, brother. Have a great day. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Aditya. Wish you a wonderful birthday and wish you lots of good friends like us.
Bye, beta. Take
Enjoy.
care. Party बनती है हमारी. Bye.
Hey Aditya, happy birthday. Lots of love. May God bless you with good health and happiness always.